Hello everybody, this is the iPhone channel here. Over here is an iPhone 6. Despite the fact this phone is still functioning, 100% functional, the rear camera is actually cracked, as you can see there, and there's actually a swollen battery, which it will be a safety hazard. It has been swelling for at least, I do believe, 4 years, because I bought this unit 4 years ago. And also there's actually some cracks down there, minor cracks, as well as some scratches and scuffs. So why not, due to the fact this phone is kind of a safety hazard for myself, why not I'm just going to destroy it in an unadulterated fashion, just for the sake of it. So why not? I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, I'm finally outside of my house, and as you can see, it is still working, but I'm just gonna toss it like this and see what happens. Kind of excited. I don't know what will happen, but as you can see, the screen is totally cracked and obliterated, and it just seems to be dead now. Yes. So why not? I'm going to smash some more. 3, 2, 1. And see what has happened. Yes. As you can see, even more carnage here. Unfortunately, it seems like the screen has totally fallen off. Or nearly. It is still intact, but it is absolutely cracked here, as you can see. So why not? I'll just do it hard this time. Some more, but it is still intact, which is kind of lucky. So over here is the carnage, and why not? I'm just going to peel off the screen from the chassis. Okay guys, I finally detached the screen over here, and as you can see, it is nearly completely detached, but I'm scared this might be a safety hazard, so I'm just going to bring it to the Apple store to recycle it. And here I am at the Chestnut Hill Mall. Okay guys, the Apple store dealt with the phone courteously, and this bag is empty. So thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna see you guys soon.